welcome to Just For You, and this is your friend and man, Sonny Wayne Fella. Today is a beautiful day, even though a bit cold on this side of the world, but we are having fun because it is the day the Lord has made, and He asked that we be rejoice and be glad in it. So today I have something short, brief for you. I want you to just lay back and watch the continuation of the process of now, and I use the word now, rebuilding. So I know a lot of you are building homes in Africa, in Liberia to be exact. Some of you have suffered the same fate I have suffered over time, building a house and then having to throw it down and then to rebuild it. So the rebuilding process have started. So I'm sure you will want to see what we are doing now. Actually, when I was in Liberia, that's when we did this work. That's when we started. So, just try to, enjoy and to see how progressive and resilient we are as Liberians. We never really give up, or we never give up. We always try to press in and make sure that what we want always come to pass. So I know if you've ever suffered this before, I want to encourage you, do not give up. Keep stepping up, keep running that race, because they stated that the race is not to the swift, but the one who endures to the end. So I want you to endure. And then one day, you will see the fruit of your labor. Because I believe there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We want to build our home. We want to use it as our vacation home, or maybe move back to Liberia in the future. We're still contemplating on these things. But this house must be finished within a timely manner, because we really don't have the time to be slacking, all right? So you will see them building, trying to dig a new foundation and putting up walls and whatnot. Even some of the walls have already been placed up there. So I just want you to enjoy it, and then try to build on it. So this is for you. Subscribers, I want you to continue to share my videos, to like them. And those of you who have not subscribed, I want you to hit the subscribe button. It costs $0, okay? Completely zero. And then share my videos as well. Hit the notification bell. I would love if you could even like them, because this is something that pained us when we saw our home being, toned down, and now we are trying to rebuild. So that's giving us some hope. That's giving us some joy. And I hope if you ever face this situation, I pray that this video gives you some hope and some joy as well. So see you soon. And here is the video. Yeah, you just watched it. That is the beginning of rebuilding. You saw the foundation being dug, and sooner than later, you're going to see the walls coming up. But it's a process and it's a gradual process. So, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you, and I hope to see you again soon. God bless. Bye bye.